Okay, let's go.
Some journeys begin with a destination, but the best ones begin with curiosity. We were welcomed not by words, but by wings.
I learned very much about how the dinosaurs went extinct, how to make drones and their parts.
Actually, and for CS students it will be a very good experience, I think so, because they also learned about robotics and many things, how to control drone.
This is a good experience about learning how to drive drones, and we also played with games like with drones. Marvelous experience about drones, and we used to see that how to fly a drone and how to make what kind of material the drone is from.
You were really well behaved and we are very happy with your school, ma'am. Seriously, you have trained them so well.
hybrid, but nature breed கிடையாது.